This segment sponsored by Old National Bank. Old National Bank is a regional bank that's been around, get this, for over 190 years. Founded in 1834, their mission is to help our community thrive in many ways, including community development efforts, financial education, and sustainable business practices. And here to share more about their services is Diveeta Kinchen, Community Development Mortage Loan Officer, and Dwayne Powell Jr., their Community Development Manager. Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Wonderful. Thank you so much for having us.
Yes, welcome. Well, I'm so thrilled to learn about this bank. I mean, almost 200 years, that's a long time. And that is a lot of experience. Which is wonderful. So let's start off, Diveeta. Will you share about your role and what you do at Old National Bank?
So I'm a Community Development Mortgage Loan Officer, and my primary role is to assist low and moderate income individuals gain their dream of homeownership. I also educate and empower,
That's great. And so through your experience, what really drives you to this company? Like, why have you been here as long as you have, and what do you really enjoy about your role?
So I've been in the banking industry for over 30 years, and I enjoy helping individuals. I enjoy sharing knowledge that can assist individuals take advantage of products and services to benefit them in their short and long-term financial goals.
Yes, which is so important.
It's very
we
important.
all need that financial guidance and really just getting the best services for us, right? Yes, I love that. So Dwayne, share with me about your role and a little bit about how you really serve our community.
Yeah, I have the pleasure of being our Community Development Manager, and what that allows me to do is to really find ways to get involved in the community and partner with so many amazing organizations across both Indiana and Michigan to find ways to create economic empowerment through financial education, supporting our foundation through grants and sponsorships, as well as affordable housing and so many different other things. So we find ways to really create opportunities for the underserved is really what I fully focus my time on.
And so Diveeta, what would you say is one of the biggest barriers as people are trying to enter into being a homeowner for the very first time? Oh my goodness, so many things to think about. What do you say is the greatest barrier?
I would say knowledge, just understanding the mortgage process and the opportunities that are out there. Unfortunately, at this time, the housing stock, income is not increasing proportionately with the cost of living. And so, those are the primary barriers. And down payment. Down payment is a huge barrier.
Yeah, there are so many things that people have to think about, and I wonder if things are changing, over the years in the sense of like that checklist. Is it getting longer? Do you feel like there's more things to consider, or do you feel like it just takes the proper guidance to help you through it?
I definitely think it takes the proper guidance. So it's not as it's not as difficult as most individuals think. And there is down payment. So most individuals, for example, think that they have to have a down payment to buy a home. And there are so many down payment assistance programs out there that can help them in that dream. So, yes.
That's great. And could you share like maybe a testimonial from a client or maybe a new client about their experience with you all?
Yeah, so unfortunately, again, because individuals are not aware of the opportunities that exist, I had a young lady who was interested in buying a home, single parent, and just had not gotten the insight. She had some unfortunate experience with other lenders who weren't able to or willing to take the time to work with her and explain to her the aspects of credit and the mortgage process. And so I did that. And it was a blessing to share that information with her. And she'll be closing on a home yet this month. Took her a couple years to work her action plan. But no is not in my vocabulary, it's when.
Okay.
And so the opportunity to establish an action plan with an individual and help them navigate that journey to achieve that dream of homeownership is so rewarding.
Yeah, it is. And I'm sure through that process you had experienced many challenges trying to get her over that finish line. So how did you overcome that?
Just taking the time, meeting with her on her terms. If I have to go to a client's house because they're immobile, I'll do that. A lot of people feel like technology is not their friend. So, you know, whatever it takes to meet an individual where they are to help guide them step by step through that process so that they feel comfortable, holding hands with them to cross that line. It's so rewarding. So I've done it for years and I truly enjoy it. It's truly a blessing.
That is great. And as you continue to work within our community, tell me a little bit about just how that process works. How do you really do your outreach and how do you connect with those in Fort Wayne?
So a lot of my connectivity comes from just getting out into the community and networking and partnering with organizations like Bridge of Grace and Fort Wayne Housing Authority and Vincent Village and Habitat, Realtors Association of Northeast Indiana, aka Rainey, Upstart, realtors, connecting with individuals who are in the market who have the same passion. And there are a lot of people out there with doing things in the community. So as you partner with them, you get those individuals who you can help.
Yeah, exactly. And Dwayne, can you share with me just really what you enjoy most about your role and the impact within our community too?
There's nothing better than helping someone achieve their dream. And this month is Financial Education Month. And as we were saying, it's so important to find ways to educate people on how they really can obtain those dreams. They are not out of reach. And to see someone reach their goal and to reach their dreams, there's nothing better than that. It just does something really great for the soul. So that's why I do and we do what we do, is to see someone reach their goal. That's what life is all about, helping others. And our motto at Old National is better together. And that's what it's all about. It's all about us being better together.
Better together.
I love that. Yes. So Diveeta, can you share with us more information about Old National's Down Payment Assistance Program?
Yes, Old National, we have a great first-time home buyer program. Our Home Manager product is available to assist first-time home buyers achieve their dream of homeownership. It only has a 3% down payment requirement. It's a conventional loan. The minimum credit score is only 600. There's no private mortgage insurance required. The applicants only have to inject a minimum of $500 of their own funds. And in Allen County, throughout Allen County, we're offering a down payment assistance of up to $15,000. Individuals just complete a first-time home buyer education course, and that's it.
That's it. That's amazing.
Yes, that's an awesome program.
So many benefits. Yes.
So if individuals are interested in us seeing if they can get qualified for the program, please reach out to me. They can reach me directly at 260-310-6651.
And so I know we talked a little bit about first-time home buyers, but what about those who are already established in a home? What advice would you give to them?
It's an awesome time to take advantage of a cash-out refinance to consolidate debt or renovate the home. So it's an awesome opportunity. Individuals who are able to take advantage of the market appreciation that we just experienced, it's a great time to consolidate. If you have high interest credit cards or credit cards even with, it's an opportunity to consolidate so that you're able to take advantage of
that. That is so true. So in case people do not know what that means, can you kind of explain that? So basically you take a second mortgage out on your home.
Yes. So you can either take a second mortgage out on your home or you can consolidate and have a first mortgage So there's two different options, totally depending upon what the overall situation is for the individual. So if a home equity, HELOC is what we call them, but it's a home equity line of credit, HELOC. And so for individuals who may have like a low interest rate on their first mortgage, then a HELOC would be perfect for them to get a consolidation, do a little, I was going to say renovation, or even cosmetic improvements, carpeting, flooring, cabinets, minor things, painting.
And I love that because I think that's something that people may not realize. So a HELOC is actually a line of credit, and you use it like it's a revolving line. So you use a little bit, you can pay it back, and it becomes back available to use again. So that is such a great option.
It's a great option.
So many things. That's why they need to come in and see you guys, talk about, what their options are, and just really get set up for success.
Yes,
absolutely.
exactly.
You say better together.
Better together.
I love it. Well, thank you both so much for coming in and joining me today.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, absolutely. And if you'd like more information about Old National Bank or to get in contact with their loan officers, we'll have their information listed below, and I'll see you after the break. This segment sponsored by Old National Bank.